Alright guys, Mr. Gibson here. I'm going to show you guys how to transfer functions from a parent function. So the first thing to talk about is that what a parent function is. It's the most basic type of a function. Okay? So for example here, I have f of x equals x. That's a linear function. Most basic linear functions, just that line that goes to the origin with a slope of 1. Quadratic, g of x equals x squared, which is just this most basic parabola. Absolute value, h of x equals absolute value of x. It makes this kind of V shape right there that goes to the origin. Square root, so I have k of x equals square root of x. It makes this function that goes out in this direction. And then finally, L of x right here is our cube root function, and it makes this general shape right here. Okay, so what I'm going to show you guys is how we can translate from these original parent functions. So in this example, I have 1/2 h of x plus 2 plus 4. Okay. Now from our previous lessons about transformations and function notation, we know that this 1/2 in front of the function means it's going to compress by 1/2. We know that this plus 2 means it's going to go to the left 2, and this plus 4 means it's going to go up 4. Okay. But we don't know the shape of the function yet. Well, h of x is the absolute value of x, so instead of having h of x here, let's have, we plug in our function that's the absolute value. So this whole thing right here equals 1/2 absolute value of x plus 2 plus 4. So this is our original h of x, this is our absolute value function. The plus 2 means to the left 2. Plus 4 on the outside means up 4, so that's going to be our new vertex. We'll call it a vertex, but kind of the bottom of this V. And then the 1/2 means it's going to compress out, so it's going to get kind of fatter there. So as you can see, you've got a kind of elongated, a compressed function of this that's been translated to the left 2 and up 4. Okay? Thanks for your attention.